What if your garage wasn't just a storage room for old boxes, but a mini factory producing products you could sell every single day? Some of these machines cost less than the price of a new smartphone, yet they can make items people buy on repeat. Things like cosmetics, tools, and even eco-friendly school supplies. In this video, I'll reveal 7 incredible machines you can start with today. For each, I'll share what it does, how much it costs, what margins look like, and one pitfall to avoid. And stick around, because machine number 5 literally takes trash and turns it into a product you can sell for up to 20 times the cost of materials. Machine 1, Bath Bomb Press. Let's start with something simple, fun, and profitable. Bath bombs. They're colorful, fizzy, Instagram-worthy, and a favorite on platforms like Etsy and Amazon. The problem? Hand molding is slow and inconsistent. That's why small businesses use a compact automatic bath bomb press. You pour in your mix, it compresses it perfectly, and ejects identical bombs one after another. Depending on your recipe, the cost per bomb can be as low as 20 to 30 cents, while retail prices range from $2 to $5 each. Pitfall: don't overpack ingredients like citric acid. They expand. Pro tip: offer themed packs like Sleep Blend or Detox Spa to charge more. And keep watching, because next, I'll show you a machine that turns everyday plain objects into premium, customized products with insane margins. Machine 2, UV Flatbed Printer. Imagine owning a factory for personalized products right inside your garage. That's exactly what this UV printer does. It prints razor-sharp, full-color designs directly onto surfaces like phone cases, wood, metal, acrylic, leather, even glass. The ink cures instantly under UV light. No smudges, no drying time. Even better, it can print in layers, giving products a raised 3D texture that makes them stand out. Margins? A blank phone case costs under $1. With custom UV printing, you can sell it for $10 to $30, depending on niche and design. Pitfall: some plastics resist ink. Pro tip: always use adhesion primer wipes for long-lasting prints. But don't click away yet, because machine number 3 literally takes old tires and turns them into flooring that outperforms concrete in key ways. Machine 3, Tire Recycling Tile Press. This machine is a powerhouse for both profit and sustainability. It shreds old tires, mixes the rubber with adhesive, and compresses it into dense, durable tiles. The result? Flooring that's non-slip, shock-absorbing, and waterproof. Perfect for gyms, playgrounds, and pools. The best part? Raw material is extremely cheap. Sometimes even free if local suppliers want old tires removed. Pitfall: inconsistent crumb size can make tiles weak. Pro tip: standardize granulate size to 1 to 3 millimeters for the best compaction. Next, machine number 4 taps into a global market worth billions, making something you've probably got in your home right now. Machine 4, Essential Oil Distiller. The essential oils market is booming, expected to hit $30 billion globally in the next few years. This compact steam distillation unit makes it possible to extract high-quality oils from lavender, eucalyptus, citrus peels, and more. Steam passes through the plants, pulls out aromatic compounds, and then condenses into oil and hydrosol. Small bottles of essential oil often retail for $10 to $50, depending on purity. And here's the kicker: the leftover renpod hydrosol, basically aromatic water, can be sold too, as facial mists or natural cleaners. Pitfall: overheating ruins delicate aromas. Pro tip: use gentle, consistent steam for premium oils. Now, remember earlier, I promised a machine that takes trash and turns it into a sellable product? That's machine number 5, and it's genius. Machine 5, Newspaper Pencil Maker. Everyone uses pencils, but instead of wood, imagine making them out of old newspapers. This machine coats waste paper in glue, rolls it around a graphite core, presses, dries, and after finishing, you get a durable, ready-to-use pencil. The numbers are crazy. Cost per pencil is 5 to 10 cents. Wholesale price ranges from 15 to 50 cents. And branded eco-friendly pencils retail for $1 to $2 each. But here's the real magic. You're not just selling pencils, you're selling a story. Recycled, eco-friendly, sustainable. And customers will gladly pay more for that. Pitfall: cheap glue leads to breakage. Pro tip: market them to schools and NGOs for bulk contracts. And now, let's shift from stationery to something much smaller, but used in millions of products every single day. Machine 6, Spring Coiling Machine. Wire goes in. Springs come out. Simple, right? Springs are everywhere. Pens, chairs, electronics, toys, tools. A spring coiling machine winds metal wire into perfect spirals all day long. By switching wire gauge and adjusting settings, you can create springs of different sizes and tightness, making it a flexible machine for dozens of industries. Pitfall: uneven tension causes noisy or weak springs. Pro tip: calibrate the tensioner every time you change wire. And finally, machine number 7, arguably the most versatile on this list. Machine 7, CNC Wire Bender. Most machines are built for one job. This one does dozens. The CNC Wire Bender takes digital designs and shapes wire into almost anything. Hooks, holders, furniture parts, shop fixtures. Today, you might produce simple stainless steel hooks for retail displays. Tomorrow, brackets for industrial use. Flexibility equals constant demand. Pitfall: poor quality wire can jam the system. Pro tip: stick to consistent, high-grade material to keep orders smooth. So there you have it, 7 compact machines that can turn a garage into a production hub. The real secret isn't picking the coolest machine, it's choosing the one that matches your budget, market, and skills. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 7 would you start with? Comment below. I read every reply. And if you found this valuable, hit subscribe, because in future videos, I'll show you even more machines that could be even more profitable than the ones we covered today.